Manipur University Students Union Musuna Sinduna Democracy, Dialogue and Coexistence in Manipur Haiba Thimda Numit Nini National Youth Convention Kinini Suba Amadi Aroiba Numit Ki Khananaba Thoram MU Gi Court Holda Ngasi Loshin Kray Loshin Bagi Thoramda 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐄𝐍𝐆𝐄𝐀 MLA Sikh Nurul Hassan Manipur University Teachers Association Ki President Professor Irom Gambir Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur Ki President Asang Kasar Amasung Scholars specializing on Northeast India Rami Niranjan Desaina Panelist Aduga retired IAS Dr. 𝐼𝐾𝐈 moderator oina sarkyake ngasi convention adu dang Rami Niranjan Desai na hai leibak miyam na ngasi di Manipur da chatnariba land distribution system amadi mapandagi leptana changsilakliba immigrants ke influx ki matang da khaunare India na Manipur ki matang da karisu khande haina khaliba si lan gani maramde hojik Manipur da thokliba irang asigi matang da leibak miyam na wari sanari amadi masigi matang da article kya ibagal loinana national media channel singna Manipur gi issue asi cover tongnare ngasi di leibak miyam na Manipur gi strategic value Northeast ki khaknatana India gi future gi oina kaya maru oi haiba khanglei Manipur asi India gi Southeast Asia samnanaba gateway khaktanate India gi golden gateway ni haina phongdoke
The pain is not real, but I'm just saying if you're talking about the way forward, that way forward is not going to come from the past. It's going to come from the present, your actions today, and that is what is going to make you a roadmap that is strong enough to not give you artificial peace, to give you long-term peace. If you want artificial peace, many ways to have it. Have a dialogue, take out a document, say happy, 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 joy, joy, joy. Come back to stage one, a year down the line, 5 years down the line. Because that is not really the issue. The three areas that are really important is to disarm, is to disengage, and to dialogue. You need to understand what are the issues that are important to you. In my understanding, the core issue is the land issue. The core issue is land distribution, that if the problem is development, then the answers have to come from solutions that address development. Not separate states, not territorial change, but development. I would say start with land reforms. Understand what your land reforms are. Understand the legalities of it. And other communities will have to find common ground to understand what this means to you.
Thorabadu Mari Lenana Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur gi President Asang Kasar Mahaki Warol Thamladuna Hai Manipur da Thokli Birang Asagi Waroshinama Purakna Bahotnabagi Mahuta Manipur da Leriba Luching Basing politicians sing Sanapot Amagum Sanaduna Lere Manipur Kudong Jataba Mayam Ama Leibak Leiba Hojik Kari Tawani Kari Tabak Paikani Habagi Pandam Laitaba Lamda Mama Oide Lamda Masigi Awat Apakaya Kanaduna Malim Gimiam the Kangan Gadaba Matam Asida Amaga Amaka Onsinaduna Lan Hoduna Lady Hake
Manipur ki future policy karino, plan karino, haiba akhoi leite ba. Akhoi ki roadmap amta ullo ne, akhoi ki vision amta ullo ne, akhoi problem mayam di leire. Adubu Manipur ki roadmap, Manipur ki future vision asi sini haiba amtang madu hana akhoi puthok se ba. Madu ki punamak mina pemba ba mayam madu karino haiba akhoi na common roadmap, common vision a policy ama puthok da ba muhut akhoi puthopang ngamdraga. Amada akhoi station ba lom da chakre ba kana gumbana thukai ningai kana gumbana phatta ba wakhan da khalam ba yai khalam sunu madu mayam changlaga akhoi na defend to ba tai madu na overcome to ba ngam ga da ba leite to ba da bu as a Manipur tong koi na laiga da bani chahi kaya laimina rakhre hojik laimina ga dori bani to da bu Manipur si kwai digi aphaba lepak ama lenga state ama oihange haibegi vision du karino haibisini ba aina hangjaning badi akhoi madu di laitraka oidaba padaba ta akhoi se chatana laireba ngasigi wa na te ba se
Amaramda 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐄𝐍𝐆𝐀 MLA Sikh Nurul Hassan Hai Irang Asilosina Batongan ba ethnic group singi demand amadi negotiation sing ase democracy ki framework manungda tawna bokhona ba mathautai violence yautuna wari sanaba tangai fade Irang asna maram oiraga mayum thatutuna leiriba miyoising masa gi mafam da hanjin hanaba atuwa da khongthang lokhatba maru oi loinana Irang asibu na koina na amadi hak thengna na sawgatliba MLA taragi mathakta court ki matena dispense tawgadabani hairi
It is very much necessary to take prompt and timely action for immediate restoration of peace in the state while concerning the present ongoing ethnic crisis in Manipur based on the plight of the people grapple with the grave situation in the state. The territorial integrity of the state of Manipur should be maintained at all costs. Will not compromise on the territorial integrity of the state. No separate administration should be allowed at all costs in response to demand of any particular ethnic community.